Hey guys, it's Dan here. Hopefully you can see me. I know I got a bright sunrise behind me. But what I'm going to be cooking for you today is just a real quick breakfast. It's nothing special. I just really wanted to show off the sunrise over there. And just show you guys really how I start my day before I go to work. Well, let me get the Blackstone fired up and we'll be cooking. Alright guys, let me start out by throwing a little bit of bacon down. This bacon really didn't separate that good. It was just an off-brand bacon. It was on sale. So there's about 2 slices in each of those. And I'm going to go ahead and throw my pork chop on here, because they should cook up about the same speed. Right now I'm on low on both burners. But this right here is the start of a beautiful morning breakfast. Alright guys, I ended up turning this side up to medium just because the bacon was definitely cooking up quicker. Like I said, this was some cheap off-brand bacon. So we're going to keep this side on low. I like to cook my bacon on low. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get that separated. This one here is definitely going to be done quick. Let me see what this chop's looking like. A little bit more on that side before I flip it. And the pork chop I'm using this morning is actually a smoked pork chop. So it's already fully cooked. Really, all I'm doing is heating it up. And this Blackstone, putting that sear on there, just makes it taste amazing. So I'll be back with you here in a few minutes and we'll get to the next step of this. Alright, just one little thin piece here on the end. It's actually a little on the crispy side, which isn't bad. I actually like my bacon a little crispy. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's getting a good sear. Let's get this side going. I'll finish up the bacon. I'll get this almost done. And then I'll get my eggs ready to go on. Alright, let's get this last little bit of bacon off of here. It's looking good. Definitely better than the first piece I pulled off. Drain a little bit of the grease. Let me clean a spot for my eggs. And I'm not real worried about if my eggs are brown or anything. I know some people, they'll want to clean this area super good. And let me see what that's looking like. Alright, that should be done about the same time the eggs are done. And with me cooking here on the houseboat, there's no way to keep this griddle perfectly level. The boat rocks back and forth. The boats don't sit level. They're made to sit lower in the back end so the water drains off of them. So if you see my oil running everywhere, it is because I am on the back of the houseboat. Plus also I really never level my Blackstone. But I got this on as low as it'll go. I'm put that back as low as it'll go. And there's a beautiful egg from my backyard. If you've watched any of my other videos, you've probably heard the chickens cackling in them. And did I break the yolk? Not sure. Another beautiful thing about cooking out here on the boat, the eggshells go straight into the lake. I'm going to just put that one right on top of there. And yes, I shattered that yolk. Now we got one yolk. Let me chase this egg back up here. Kind of just tuck these over till that firms up. Don't run away, you're still good. Let's see what's that. Alright. A little bit more on that side. And normally I'd put some butter down instead of just putting oil down, but I didn't grab butter from inside the boat, and I forgot the salt and pepper also. And I didn't want to run back in there and get them, so you season your eggs ever how you like. Today, mine are not getting salt and pepper. But like I always say, you know, if it wasn't a Dan's outdoor cooking video, if I didn't mess something up. It's looking real good to me. I'm almost done here, so I'll do my normal speech right now, that if you guys like my videos, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Next to the subscription button, you'll see a little bell icon. If you click that, you'll get notifications of every time I'm doing a cook. I promise you most of my cooks are a lot better than this one right here. This is just quick. I'm getting ready to go to work. Let me see what that side looks like. Yes, this is done. This is an over-hard. Whoa, there is a little bit of juice in that one. Alright. So definitely not one of my best cooks. But I'm still going to post it. I'm still going to share it with you guys. And I'm going to enjoy eating this. I probably will not be back with a taste test because, like I said, I've got a bunch of stuff I got to do today. I'm getting ready to work. Still got to get this cleaned up. But take a look at that beautiful plate. What a great way to start the day. Good protein right there. Especially with how hot it's supposed to be today. Got to have my energy. Well, if I don't see you for the taste test, everybody please have a safe and blessed day. Alright guys, even though I know I'm not doing a taste test or anything because I didn't bring a knife out to cut the pork chop up. I promise you I've made these a million times. They're good. Hopefully you can see that. I just really wanted to show off this view behind me. I mean, I know I haven't put a lot of videos out in a while, but waking up to this, God has blessed me very well. Me and the wife living on this boat. Hopefully, you know, I'll be putting more videos out. Hopefully you guys enjoy them. I'm still working on setting some different stuff up on the boat. Making arrangements actually to borrow someone's rooftop, hopefully to do some videos where I have more room. I've got very limited space here. But thank you very much for watching this. Hey, each and every one of you, I do appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my videos. Well, with that being said, you all have a blessed day. I'm gonna go eat these blessings.